If you're planning to start a business in Massachusetts, forming an LLC is one of the smartest ways to protect yourself legally and make your business look more professional. In today's video, we are going to show you how to register an LLC in Massachusetts, even if you are a complete beginner. We will also help you decide whether you should file it yourself or use a formation service like LegalZoom to make the entire process hassle-free. We'll cover all of that later in this video, so let's get started. Before we begin our journey, let's first answer the question, what exactly is an LLC? An LLC, or limited liability company, is a business structure that combines the liability protection of a corporation with the flexibility and simplicity of a sole proprietorship or partnership. It's easy to manage and offers personal asset protection, which is why it's one of the most popular business structures in the United States. Now, the question is, why form an LLC in Massachusetts? Because, for one, you have personal liability protection. That means your house, car, and savings are generally shielded if your business faces debt or any legal issues. You have a flexible management and tax benefits because LLCs can come with tax advantages compared to traditional corporations, helping keep things simple and cost-effective. And of course, you have a very quick approval process. Massachusetts is known for efficient processing. In most cases, LLC approvals take just 3 to 5 business days, so you can get your business up and running fast. Now, the next thing is we need to choose an LLC name. So Massachusetts requires your LLC name to be unique, including limited liability company or abbreviations like LLC or L.C. You want to make sure that you avoid restricted words like government, banks, trusts, or bureau. If you have a desired business name in mind and to check its availability, all I have to do is very simple. Go to the Massachusetts Secretary of the Commonwealth website. Of course, use their business entity search. Now type in your desired name. If no one else has your name, you're good to go and it's available. Every Massachusetts LLC needs a registered agent. Now this is a person or maybe a company that receives official legal documents for your business. Now, they should have a physical address and must be available during business hours. If you wanted to be your own agent, you could, but provided that you meet all the state legal requirements. In our case, what we do is to hire a professional service like LegalZoom, more of that later in this video, to get more privacy and convenience. Now, it's time to officially form your LLC by filing the Certificate of Organization. You can do this 2 ways. Number 1 option is by mail, but we highly suggest to use the online process, which is kind of expedited. All I have to do is very simple. You go to the Massachusetts LLC filing portal, and then there is going to be a filing fee of $500. You need to include your LLC name, principal office address, registered agent info, names of LLC managers or members. Although it's not required in Massachusetts, having an operating agreement is highly recommended. An operating agreement outlines the ownership, management, and operating procedures of your LLC, helping avoid disputes down the road. Next is we need to get an EIN or employer identification number through the IRS website. Basically, it's like a social security number for your LLC. You need an EIN to open a business bank account, hire employees, file taxes, and it would just take a few minutes. Once your LLC is formed, the next step is making sure you're properly registered for taxes and licenses. The good news is Massachusetts does not require a general business license at the state level. That means most LLCs do not need a blanket license just to operate. However, industry-specific licenses may still be required. For example, The business in construction, healthcare, real estate, food services, or financial service often need professional or occupational licenses. Always check what applies to your specific industry. Now, in terms of state tax registration, all I have to do is go to the Massachusetts Department of Revenue. Now, this includes things like sales tax, employee withholding tax, and any other taxes your business may be responsible for. You can do this online, and do not forget about local requirements because some cities and towns may require a local business certificate or a DBA, also known as doing business as, especially if you're operating under a different name. Once your LLC is officially set up, there are a few ongoing requirements you need to know. Number one is going to be the annual report filing, annual report fee, registered agent updates, and maintain good standing. Now, to keep your business in good standing, these are some of the things that you need to comply. That's why, you see, traditional filing, while it's cost effective, it really is time consuming, full of paperwork, and can be really stressful. Now, hiring a registered agent is more efficient, yes, but it can get expensive. Now, what if I told you there is a better solution using a formation service called LegalZoom? LegalZoom is an online legal service company that helps people form businesses and handle other legal paperwork without having to hire an attorney or a registered agent. They guide you through these steps to create a corporation, nonprofit, especially LLC, and other business entities in any state in the US, including Massachusetts. The good news is, if you haven't signed up with LegalZoom yet and want to support our channel, you can use our affiliate link in the video description, which will forward you to a new page. If you want to do the work yourself, you can go to the basic plan, but it's kind of limited. And if you wanted to have more options, you can go and upgrade to the Pro plan, which gives you all these perks and benefits. But to unlock all the tools and features, you might want to go to the Premium plan. Whichever plan you wanted to go to, remember you can use our affiliate link, which is in the video description. Let's say you choose the first option. You will be forwarded to a new page. All you have to do is enter your desired business name. If you don't want it, you can skip and decide later. Of course, we need to choose the state. And in this case, that's going to be Massachusetts. Now, if you want to provide your business email address and your phone number, you can do so. You can also skip it. After that, we need to choose the industry. So in our case, that's going to be affiliate marketing. Remember to use our affiliate link, which is in the video description, to get started with LegalZoom. There are a lot of information involved, but do not be overwhelmed because LegalZoom is here to help you out. Okay, so if you wanted to have a personalized notifications, fast and easy filings, peace of mind, you can do so. You can select a plan, but for now, we're going to click the no thanks. These are added services. Now, as you may notice, you can save time and money on essential documents by having all these. If you're not sure and decided yet, do not be afraid to click the no thanks. Now, when you form an LLC, it's also a wise decision opening a separate business bank account because it protects you legally, simplifies finances, and helps your LLC grow professionally. Now, you can choose from any of the following. You can choose Mercury or Bank of America. But if you don't want it for now, click the no thanks button, and you have more information around here. Now, if time is of the essence and you wanted to get your business going already, you might want to go to the one-day expedited processing along with the founder's kit. But if you don't want that, click the no thanks and click the next button, which will forward you to a new page. As you can see, using LegalZoom is very straightforward, a hassle-free experience, and hands down the easiest way to go. And basically, that's it on how to register an LLC in Massachusetts, which is a solid choice if you want strong legal protection, a reputable business environment, and access to a large established market. While the filing fee and annual report requirement may be higher than some other states, the benefits including credibility, flexible management, and personal asset protection, often outweighs the cost. Now, if you're comfortable handling the paperwork, you can file everything yourself directly through the Massachusetts Secretary of the Commonwealth. However, if you want a faster, hands-off experience, using a formation service like LegalZoom can save time and help you avoid mistakes. They guide you through every step, handle the paperwork, and make you sure your LLC is set up correctly so you can focus on growing your business instead of worrying about filings. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on the notifications for more step-by-step business tutorials on creating LLCs in the United States. And if you have any questions or maybe suggestions, drop them in the comments below. Would love to hear from you. And as always, thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next video.